Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya Khanna and today I have created this nude glam eye makeup and paired the look number 1 with bright red lipstick, and this is look number 2 with nude pink lips. And if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep watching. First step is obviously moisturizer, and I am going to moisturize my face using Nivea Light Moisturizer. This is really perfect for the people who have dry skin. Massaging this moisturizer on my face for about 30 seconds. Next I'm gonna use this Farsali Beauty Oil. This will make my makeup base look glowy, hydrated and flawless. I love applying this with dropper, covering the neck area also. Just applying this on my face using my fingers. Make sure to prepare your base really nicely, especially if you have dry skin like me. Beauty oil will prevent your foundation to become cakey and patchy. Time to apply primer on my face. This is from Urban Color. Taking out a little quantity on my fingers and applying this on my face, mainly focusing on the T-zone area because this is the area where you have open pores. Now this is Fit Me foundation from Maybelline, shade is 112. Taking it out on the back of my hand, and now I'm going to blend it using my beauty blender. But before that, I'm going to spray my setting spray from CVB on my beauty blender to make sure my beauty blender is nicely damp. And after that, I'm going to apply little dots of foundation on my face and blending it well. Also covering the neck area and my ears to make my skin look more even. This foundation is one of the best foundation that I have used till now. Concealer I am using is from Swiss Beauty, shade is 01 Light Wheat. Covering my dark circles with it and also applying this concealer on the high points of my face, like on my forehead, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and my chin, and blending it with the same beauty blender. Just dab the beauty blender on your face, don't rub it harshly. And this is my new purchase. This one is Brow Styler 3-in-1 from Color Essence. This is in dark brown shade. And first I'm going to fill in the front part of my eyebrows with its sharp nib. And then I'm just lining the outline of my eyebrows, filling the sparse areas and also doing the same thing on my second brows. So as this is 3-in-1 Brow Styler, the second step is to smudge your eyebrows to remove any harsh lines and to make your brows nicely blended. So the third part is, this is the third part, the spoolie to brush and shape your eyebrows. I'm using this product for the first time and I really love how this look came out. For my transition shade, I'm going to use this really light nude pink shade from my Estee Lauder palette, and with the help of my round and fluffy brush, I'm just applying it on the crease area. So the next palette I'm going to use is from Revolution, and from this palette I'm going to take out this light brown orangish eye shade and applying it just under my crease line. Taking out little shade on my brush and building up the color and blending it really well in windshield wiper motion. Now from this Alvin 80 color eyeshadow palette, I'm picking out this shade which is nude copperish color and applying it on the outer V of my eyelid, building up the shade slowly and blending it really well. I have used 3 eyeshadow palettes to create this look, or if you also want to recreate this look, you can choose the similar shades from the palettes that you have. Applying the same brownish orange color on my lower lash line with the help of this flat brush and blending it out using the transition shade. And to add some glitter glam to my eyelids, I am going to use this glitter eye shade from Swiss Beauty, shade is 05 Rose Gold Retro. Applying this on the inner part of my eyelids, and then I am going to blend this shade using a flat brush. This thing has changed the whole look. Now I am going to line my waterline with this kajal from Faces on both the eyes, obviously both the eyes. This is smudge free and really intense. Eyeliner I am going to use is from LA18 and applying a thin layer because I don't want to hide my glittery eyelids. Creating a tiny wing to enhance my eyes. Falsies I'm applying is from Teen Trends. This is 5D Fox Mink lashes. And see how these lashes change the entire eye look. Coming back to the face, I'm going to contour my face using this eyebrow drawing palette from Hilary Joda, and with this small brush, I'm first going to contour the whole of my cheeks. Not too much, just a little bit to add a nice warmth to my face. Also applying it on my forehead, shaping my nose and my jawline. To add a nice pink flush of color on the apple of my cheeks, I'm going to use this half and half blush stick. Applying 2 dots on my cheeks and blending it with my fingers. To add a really pretty and healthy glow to my face, I'm going to use this strobe highlighter from Revolution. Shade is Radiant Light. And with the help of a small brush, I'm applying it on the inner corners of my eyelids and also on my brow bone. To add this highlighter on my face, I'm going to use this really pretty and fluffy fan brush. Apply this on my cheekbones, on my forehead, middle of my nose, cupid's bow, and little bit on my chin. So this is how the glow looks. So now for the look number 1, that is nude pink lipstick. I'm going to use this Lip Stain Matte Lipstick from Swiss Beauty. Shade is 209 Pink Blossom. Completing the look with this zigzag rose gold choker and also wearing this beautiful rose gold hoops. And this is look number 1. For the look number 2, I'm going to use this lipstick from Neon. Shade is 41. This is really bright red cherry blood shade. This is how I can explain it. And also tell me in the comments which look do you like the most. And this is look number 2. I hope you like this video. Please do comment below what you think about this video and what kind of videos or what kind of makeup looks you want me to do in future. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Tanya Khanna. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.